Hello, everybody!
Hey guys.
It is March 24th. It's been 7 days. We've officially been doing distance learning for 1 full week. And you guys are already killing it. A really good reminder just for you guys is just to make sure that you are turning in all of the work. So you should have turned in by now your Shakespeare summary, your Renaissance summary, and been participating in all of the discussion boards. If you didn't participate in discussion boards, they're not closed. You can go back and add to those now, anytime. So they are completely open. So make sure that you are turning in all of your work because we are keeping up with it. If you're confused or you think you're missing something, let us know. If you're doing your summaries on paper, that's totally fine. Just take a picture of it and send it to us via Remind or email so that we have those and that we know kind of what you're doing. If you're not sharing your work with us, it's hard for us to give you feedback. And so we want to be able to give you feedback on whether or not your work is what is expected, that it's meeting the bar for what we want from you. So today I will compare the Middle Ages and the Renaissance, read Romeo and Juliet, Act 3, Scene 1 and 2, so that I can understand the differences between the Middle Ages and the Renaissance and understand elements of theater and Renaissance drama. I will know I have it when I have completed my graphic organizer. I'm going to add on there that you have completed the graphic organizer for literature specifically. And I have posted and replied to the discussion board. So today's SOL review is on Christianity. You'll notice some of these are from Rome, some of these are from Byzantine, and so make sure that you're doing that quizzes. You're reading Romeo and Juliet, and then for me, last thing, you're doing the Renaissance activity, specifically looking at the literature today. Make sure that you're answering all of those questions on your own sheet. Again, you'll send a picture of that to me when you finish, or you will be able to submit it via assignments in Unified Classroom.
So for Romeo and Juliet today, make sure that you're reading Act 3, Scenes 1 and 2. This is a little bit of a shorter reading today. You're welcome. But definitely do make sure that you are spending that extra time going back to your discussion question. Make sure that you are observing the directions. It should be at least 5 sentences. We're grateful that some of you are posting, but make sure that you are at least giving us something to work with and giving your peers something to work with as well when they go to respond to your discussion posts. Otherwise, again, remember questions, comments, concerns. Feel free to reach out to either of us. Specifically, if you have questions about the play, hit me up. If you have specific questions about your history activities, make sure to hit up Miss Atkins as well.
A real specific kind of piece of feedback for most of you guys, something that we've been noticing in general is when you're doing your discussion boards, when you're doing your summaries, you must use the vocabulary, okay? We are giving you the vocabulary because we want you to build upon it. So all of your summaries, all of your discussion board posts should start to use words like secular, humanism, theater, drama, comedy, spotting, or whatever other words. Mr. Martin has a better idea of that than I do for
conflict, person versus person, etc., etc. You got a list of vocabulary words in this Cornell notes. Use them, please, and thank you.
Let us know if you guys need anything. We're here for you. We are still planning on having our Friday Zoom meeting. So we will plan on that and give you guys more details on that as the week progresses. Let us know if you need anything.
Have a great day, guys. See you.